Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm gonna show you how you will make proper right turn at traffic light. Watch this video till end. It's gonna help you a lot because I'm gonna cover up everything for the turns. I'm going to make right turn at this traffic light, mirror check, signal on, right side blind spot check before turn, and then you will focus to your turn. Since light was green, so that means we are good to go. At the green light, we just have to check on right hand side because any biker can come from there, somebody can cross the road from right hand side. So our concern has to be the right hand side when we are turning right at. I'm going to make another right turn at upcoming traffic light, mirror check, right signal on, right side blind spot check. Now light is red, I will come to a complete stop. So make sure that you will come to a complete stop first. Keep looking at the traffic light. So light is red. Now we will creep up and watch for a pedestrian. So we will make sure that nobody's crossing. And now we will look for the traffic, right side blind spot check, and move when it's safe to do so. Don't just jump in, okay? Make sure that you will come to a complete stop, count 3 seconds, creep up, inch forward, watch for pedestrian, and then look for the traffic and then move. Now I'm gonna make right turn at this traffic light, mirror check, signal on, blind spot check, come into your lane as soon as you can. Light is red, I'm looking at the light. My aim is I have to stop before solid white line first. 1, 2, 3. Now I will look for pedestrian. If somebody is crossing and light turns to green, I will check my right side blind spot and I will finish the turn. I'm going to take you different turns, so watch this video till end. It's gonna help you so much to pass your road test. I'm going to make another right turn. You can see that it's a sharing road with the bikers. So whenever you will squeeze your car to the right hand side, I'm going to make right turn. So mirror check, right signal on. So whenever you're going to make a right turn, you have to check blind spot. So we will bring our car to the right and stop before solid white line. Since the light is red, we will come to a complete stop. Now I can see that there is a fire truck. So I will let them go first. I will not even creep up. So I will let them pass first and I will keep scanning. Even though my light is green, still I will wait for them because it's an emergency vehicle. We have to let them go first. Now I will creep up. I will watch for pedestrian. Nobody is there. I will watch for traffic, no traffic, right side blind spot check, and I will finish my turn. I'm going to make another right turn at traffic light, checking into my rear view mirror. So why we have to check into the rear view mirror? Maybe there is a fire truck, ambulance, police car, any emergency vehicle could be there, or maybe somebody's chasing you so close. So before brake, you must have to look into your rear view mirror so that you can get an idea what's going on behind you. And whenever you stop behind vehicle, try to keep one vehicle distance, which is a safe distance. So I have to make a right turn, our signal is on, and before turn, I'm gonna check my right side blind spot here on the right hand side because there is a footpath. So might be somebody's on an e-scooter, skateboard, anything, e-bike, they can just all of a sudden they can come and they will try to cross. So before turn, I will check my blind spot. I will look at the corner on other side, the right hand side, so that if somebody is coming from there, I can see them, any pedestrian. So light is green, right side blind spot check, and I will focus to my turn and turn nicely. No need to speed up, no need to go like very fast and finish it. Like take your time, move nicely, move when it's safe to do so. If you notice that somebody is crossing, you have to let them go first. You have to give them priority. I'm going to make another right turn at this traffic light. So mirror check, signal on, blind spot check, come to a complete stop. Since light is red, we will come to a complete stop before solid white line. Now we will watch if somebody is crossing in front of us. So no one is there to cross. We will creep up. We will go till the small white line. Now I will look for the traffic. So the rule is check left, right side blind spot, and left again. So why we have to check? As I told you, it could be any e-bike, e-scooter or something. So we will not hit them. and then finish your turn.